Why does your scanner show the P2727 engine code? And what does it mean? P2727 is a diagnostic trouble code for a Pressure Control Solenoid E control circuit, or open. This error code indicates an electrical break or malfunction in the transmission's hydraulic pressure regulation system. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: defective solenoid, wiring issues, poor connections, contaminated fluid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Ford, GMC, Mitsubishi, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.